Meaning of Golden Jubilee.
Golden Jubilee.
Golden Jubilee.
Golden Jubilee.
Golden Jubilee. Golden Jubilee refers to the celebration of a 50th anniversary. The term is commonly used in reference to significant events or milestones such as a person's 50 years of service, a company's 50th year in business, or a nation's 50th year of independence. The term golden denotes the significance and value placed on the 50-year milestone, which is considered a major achievement. Celebrations for a Golden Jubilee often involve special events, ceremonies, and gifts, as well as recognition of the individual or entity's contributions over the past 50 years.